Hi friends, welcome back to another day in my vlog. I hope you're all doing good and fine. So, one of the week this week we had visited to one of the state park that was there just nearby our house. So, this place that we were living, we've not explored it so much from the time we moved in. So now it's good climate and the sun is out. So we thought we'll just mask up and we'll just go explore the place. Also, kids are like so excited to go to each places these days. So we just went to one of the nearest park. It also has a small beach side and it was showing a good sunset point. So we just went and just stood there and just enjoyed for some time and just had a good relaxing time. So I thought I'll just share this place with you. It's called Lee Meridian State Park. So we were all just masking up so that we can just get safe. It's a quite huge place and it's very nice, open and greenery and with lots of trees around.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing.
So it was a time of sunset when we went.
And I still wonder
That's how it looks. It looks so beautiful. I just loved it. The view and the sunset, I just loved it. It's long that I've seen such a view. Here and there were people who were sitting down and relaxing with their family. Otherwise, a normal before Corona time, it is always a crowded place. People can enjoy beach and they can sit and eat and have a picnic time, family time. So usually it used to be like that. It's a very nice place to enjoy with family and friends. We captured some ducks too. Usually there used to be a lot, but I think now with the climate change there'll be more ducks coming. There'll be ducks also, but they don't harm you in any way. And that's the walk through. You can go to the end and you can even enjoy the view towards a little more nearer to the lake. I don't think it's much deep. This is a very good, nice place. I liked it. I would like to come down someday, sit and enjoy some time here. It also has usually these kind of parks. They have this lakeside or beach side, and they also have a place where you can party. You can throw birthday parties, and kids can enjoy water. Elders can relax. The big people can relax. So it's usually like that. Most of the parks are. It also has children's park attached to it. So like that, lot of fun, and it can be one whole full fun day. Now with this COVID, there's hardly people around. That's the place where you can, you can book it, you can reserve it, and you can, enjoy some party or birthday parties. Usually birthday parties can happen in summers at like this place. You can sit and eat and everybody can enjoy some outdoor. You don't need to be indoors. So like that, there's a lot of parks that's like this. This is one of the parks that's nearby our house. You can see the park. Even small kids, they can enjoy playing in the park at the same time. I did not let my kids play. We just convinced them that we'll come some other time. It's a quite nice big park. It's nice. And then we stayed there for some time. We just got relaxed, and it was nice to get some fresh air and see the sunset and everything. Kids also had some change. So yeah, that's a That's this park all about.
Still wonder where you are. If you found a way out, come seek me out.
That's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this small vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and be part of our beautiful family, and drop in your comments in the comment section. See you with another vlog. Till then, take care, be safe.
Do you recall when we were young?
Thank you for watching.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out.